If you want to create a bubble chart that looks something like this is how you do it. First, select Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not there, right click anywhere on this ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. After that, on this Excel option pop-up window, make sure there's a check next to your developer and click OK, and then your Developer tab will be available. Next, click on Add-in here, and then you'll be presented with this add-in pop-up here. Find more add-ins at the Office store, and in here you're gonna type bubbles. This is the add-in that you want to add. Click on Add and click on Continue. Now you will have a chart, bubble chart, that's actually inserted onto your spreadsheet here. Now what I'm doing is I'm just resizing and repositioning it, and once it's up to your liking, what you do is you click on this bubble called Select Table. You'll be presented with this pop-up window here. Click on this arrow and basically select your dataset table here and press enter twice like this, and then you have your bubble chart. For some reason, if you want to decommission or remove this bubble chart, all you have to do is click on this arrow here, and then click on this arrow here and delete. And then to remove the add-in, go to add-ins here. On this add-ins pop-up, click on these three dots here, remove, and you're done.